In the twilight our story unfolds, of a life cut short and a love untold. The Father Spirit forever in the ether, leaves behind a widow burden.
Mommy, where's Daddy? I miss him so much.
Sweetheart, Daddy is working far away. We can't see him right now.
Oh, why do other kids have dads, but I don't?
It's okay, darling. Everyone's life is different, but we have love and each other's company, which is more important than anything else.
Mommy, I miss Daddy.
Don't cry, my dear. Mommy will do everything she can to let you see Daddy, okay?
Really? I want to see Daddy.
She finds her way, a beacon of hope, guiding her each day.